The legend is back. The 2025 Dodge Viper has returned to the spotlight, and it's bringing pure American muscle into the modern era like never before. After years of silence, Dodge has reignited the fire of one of the most iconic performance cars in history this time, with more aggression, refinement, and raw power than ever. Right off the bat, the 2025 Viper demands attention. The long, sculpted hood, wide stance, and sinuous curves scream performance. Dodge didn't just design a car, they sculpted a predator. Aerodynamics play a key role in the new design, with an aggressive front splitter, functional hood vents, and a massive rear diffuser ensuring that the Viper slices through air with minimal resistance while delivering maximum downforce. The signature crosshair grille is gone, replaced by a sleek, modern fascia that still feels unmistakably Viper, and for purists, don't worry, the side exhaust pipes are still there, spitting flames and thunder just inches from the pavement. Under the hood, Dodge has done the unthinkable. The naturally aspirated V10 is gone. In its place, a beastly 8.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, part of Stellantis's next-gen performance lineup. But this isn't just any engine, it produces a jaw-dropping 800 horsepower and over 700 pounds FT of torque. The sound, absolutely brutal. It roars with a mechanical fury that makes your spine tingle and your neighbors hate you. Paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch automatic, the new Viper delivers blistering 0 to 60 times in the low 3-second range and a top speed well north of 210 miles per hour. Performance, of course, is more than just speed in a straight line. Dodge has re-engineered the Viper's chassis with a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque and aluminum subframes, cutting weight while increasing rigidity. The result? Incredible cornering capabilities. Adaptive suspension, massive Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, and sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires give the Viper laser-sharp handling without losing its raw, analog feel. It's still a car that demands respect, but now it rewards precision. Driving more than ever, step inside, and you'll find a cabin that finally matches the Viper's performance pedigree. Dodge has completely overhauled the interior, blending race-ready features with modern comfort. The cockpit is driver-focused with a digital gauge cluster, flat-bottom steering wheel, and bucket seats designed to hold you tight through every turn. Premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum surround you, while a new 12-inch infotainment screen supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even real-time telemetry tracking for track days. Dodge has also added a few modern luxuries: heated seats, dual-zone climate control, and an optional Harman Kardon audio system for those brave enough to daily drive this monster. The 2025 Viper isn't just about power, it's a tribute to an icon. Dodge has even hinted at special heritage editions paying homage to the original 1992 RT10 and the legendary ACR. There's also talk of a future all-electric variant. But for now, the Viper remains proudly old school in its delivery of heart-pounding performance and visceral thrills. In a world where performance cars are going hybrid and electric, the Viper stands out as a last hurrah for traditional American muscle. It's loud, it's unapologetic, it's wild, and it's absolutely brilliant. For enthusiasts who crave a connection between man and machine, the 2025 Dodge Viper delivers it in spades. This isn't just a comeback, it's a revolution on 4 wheels. Dodge didn't just revive the Viper, they unleashed a new beast. And the streets will never be the same again.